Good morning to my lecturer, Dr. Nur Fazila, and I'm Sharvin from Computer Programming Subject Section 1, and I'm here to explain about the coding that I did for my fabrication process. So as you can see, as the beginning process, I have variables declaration done with the values assigned. So for example, at the float, I put balance volume. There's two different balance volume with the extra E because you can't declare same terms twice. So continues to the width, thickness, length, total time, cutting speed, first volume, second volume, drill bit, bend radius, drilling speed, bending speed, cut width, cut length, cut thickness, cut volume, remove width, remove length, remove thickness, cut time, drill time, bend time, and again it continues until the final process of the total cycle. So in this case again it is total cycle twice because you can't declare the same term twice. So as we go on, I have output code of my name and my metric number, and also I name my system after myself. So here it states that the system estimates the time that is required to cut, drill four holes through, and bend the material that is needed to be fabricated. So in this case this is a looping. So if n equals to 8, so manufacturing process exit program, or else process 2 and exit program displays history. Then when you scan F, the next if selection is equals to 1, the new machine parameters and applies standard machine parameters of cutting speed and drilling speed. Right, so if the P selection equals to 1, printf, select enter product width, where you can select the product width, product length, and product thickness. Enter product new width, new length. So when you scan, you able to scan the cut length. So again you have to print the new thickness, because once you have done with the length, you have to move on with the thickness of the object or the sheet, metal sheet. Then we cut thickness, we get the thickness, and then we print for cutting speed, and then we obtain the cutting speed. Next is a machine drill bit size. This is for the size of the circle, so we get the drill bit, and then drilling speed, and then it continues where we can apply the cutting speed of 45, drilling speed of 70, and bending speed of 10. So we print with the product width, we get the width, we print with the product length, and we scan, we got the length, and then it goes on until we get the thickness, the drill bit, and the bend radius. So in this case we get the arithmetic operation code where remove width equals to width minus the cut width, and remove length is the length minus the cut length, which we printed earlier. And then it goes on for the total hand time. All the calculation have been stated in my coding. And the next printf is the cycle time, where we need to get this requirement of the value. So n plus plus total time is balance volume equals to balance volume, and this is my output, where as you can see, as I printed earlier, my name, my details, and the system. So as you enter the manufacturing process, you obtain parameters, cutting speed. So when you enter your selection, let's say for example selection 1, your width is for 25, sorry, product length is 24, thickness is 35, so you get the new width 45, 34, 123, then the machine cutting speed will be 112. So as the process continues, the cycle time is 11.10 minutes, waste generated in meter cube, efficiency is negative 603, total output is 43 units, and total cycle is 477.1 minutes. So these are the output if you try with the second selection and third selection, and it goes on, and process excited after 200 with return value of 0. So this is the coding of my project for computer programming subject.